9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
What's up, guys? It's Emmy, and I'm actually back with another YouTube video. Who would have ever thought I would come back to YouTube? It's been a minute, but I'm back into it, so expect some new videos from me, some new content. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a makeup related video today. You guys know my favorite part of my makeup routine is to do my lashes. I don't have lashes, so of course I love my falsies. But you guys already know my favorite lash brand is House of Lashes. If you guys watch, or not watch, but if you guys stay tuned to my Instagram, you guys know that I always tag House of Lashes in my pictures because those are the only lashes that I absolutely love and live by. And the great news is that Target is now holding House of Lashes, and so they're selling House of Lashes in their store. And my two favorite things, Target and House of Lashes. So now that they're combined, I decided that I'm going to be doing a Target haul of lashes. So I grabbed my favorite lashes, the ones that I think are going to look the best, and yeah, we're going to do a haul. I'm going to kind of look at them, kind of tell you guys what I think is good about them, what I like, and what I look for in lashes, just because I think that's really important when you're looking for lashes. And I know a lot of people definitely go in the aisle, look at it, just stare at it for so long and be like, what lashes do I get? How do I decide which lashes I get? I don't know what to like pick. So today I'm going to show you my favorite ones, and then I'm also going to show you some ones that are like good for these type of lashes or these type of eyes, or kind of like the whole deal on lashes. So if you want to learn about lashes and what I think about lashes, then keep on watching. As you can tell, I love lashes. I just love lashes. I'm going to show you guys, I have like 13 pairs of lashes here, and I'm going to pick out some that I think are comparable, and then I'm going to pick out ones that are like totally different. So the first tip into picking out lashes: someone who doesn't have lashes, or someone who has very little lashes, I recommend something that is thicker, as like the thicker fullness at the band. So the band, which I look for, is like a flexible, comfortable like band. That's the one that sits on your lash line, is like the band that holds it all together. I like something that's more flexible and comfortable because I don't have any eyelashes for it to rest on. So basically it needs to be light. It needs to not be heavy on the eye. It needs to not fall down in front of your eye so it obstructs your vision. You need them to open up like this. So we have this pair of lashes, and we have this pair of lashes. As you can see, this pair of lashes right here is thicker. It has that like thickness at the band, and this one over here is more like spacious. This one is for someone who already has full lashes, or has lashes they want to like add to, kind of like to make them more full. And this is a full set. Like, this is a full set of lashes. Like, if you're stacking these lashes on top of somebody or yourself who has already thick, long lashes, this is gonna be so dramatic. This is your dramatic lash. However, on someone like me, who doesn't have any lashes at all, who is just putting on one pair of lashes and I'm not really stacking it on top of my own, these would look more natural. These also are like one of my favorites. I really like these ones because these ones are like really light. I can see at the band that it is like really flexible. I can see that it's not going to irritate my eye. It's not going to fall in front of my vision, which is like what I look for. I don't want it to ever be too heavy for my eye, because then I like start not seeing. Like, I'm just like squinting all the time anyway. So I like don't want anything that's gonna like obstruct my vision. So let me talk about if you're looking for a lash that is gonna add to your own lashes. So say you have pretty long lashes, but you don't want to look like you have spiders on your eyes, or you don't want to look like you have you don't want to look like you have caterpillars on your eyes, and you just want to add something that's like a little bit dramatic but not too dramatic, but you just want to thicken it up, kind of like just like fuller lashes. Okay, so these lashes, as you can tell, they're not that long, they're not that thick, so these ones would go perfectly on somebody who already has their own lashes, which are like longer, or
they're just like, you like have your own like lash. Bleh. I can't speak.
These ones are good for thickening up your own lashes. So you would set them right on top, they would like bind together with your own lashes, and they would just add that extra dramatic look. They would add that extra. Let's talk about these lashes. Let me see if the camera will focus. These lashes are important for people who are trying to get that fullness right in the middle of their eye, kind of like towards the center, and they already have lashes, but they need to like thicken up the middle, and like it has like that really dense part in the middle, but on the outsides, on the inner corner and the outer corner, it's like lighter. So I wouldn't personally wear these ones just because I don't have any lashes. So I'm not combining them with any of my lashes. And as you can see, they're like darker in the middle and lighter on the outside, and that is when you're combining them with lashes. So this is perfect for somebody who has their own lashes. They want to like make them dramatic, but they don't want the inner corner or the outer corner to be like way too thick, because like sometimes it'll get really thick in the corner, it'll be really uncomfortable, or really thick on the outer corner, it's really uncomfortable, but you still want to have that thick middle, like kind of like bump up. So these are what those are for, the ones that are like thinner on the inner corner and the outer corner and thicker in the middle. I always personally look for, especially having alopecia, not having eyelashes, I personally look for something that is full, long, light on the band, something that's not gonna close my eye on its own. I always look for those type of lashes. And I'm gonna show you guys my favorite ones out of the ones that I have here. Really like these, because these ones are gonna make it have that length, and they're gonna have that thickness, and they're gonna have it full on both sides and the middle. So since I'm not combining it with any of my lashes, these are perfect because they're full on all sides and in the middle. I really like that thickness. However, I want it to be light, and I want to be able to open my eyes without feeling like that heaviness that a lot of lashes make you feel. And then now I'm gonna talk about lash glue and lash tricks and tips and how to wear them and how to feel while you wear them, because I know lashes are a struggle to get on, but I definitely have mastered putting on lashes on myself and other people. I love it. I think it's super, super easy, and I want you guys to think it's super, super easy too. So I'm gonna insert some footage of me putting on some lashes. Probably insert it here or here. I don't really know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll like move to one side so I can like, actually here, I'll move to this side. Hopefully I'm inserting footage right here of myself putting on lashes. I think I am. I think I'm gonna edit that in. When you put on the lashes, I have a tip that I have told so many people. It is Emmy's secret. So now you're gonna be exposed to Emmy's secret. So make sure you tell everybody. It's Emmy's secret. Come on, give me credit. So my trick, I figured this out when I was in 7th grade, when I first ever tried on lashes. So basically, I have lash glue here. This is, of course, House of Lashes adhesive, eyelash adhesive. There is a dark one and a light one. So this is like if you have dark eyeliner, usually I do eyeliner, so I could use either. I could use the white one or the dark one. I prefer the light one because I like to see it, and I like to see it dry. So you would take this lash glue, or whichever lash glue you prefer. I prefer the House of Lashes one. And also, if I had to pick another one, if you don't have access to the House of Lashes glue, I know now you'll be able to, because now you have Target. Target is everywhere, and now that they're selling them at Target, you should be able to get your hands on this glue. But I also like the Duo green one, because that one doesn't have latex. Anyone that does not have latex, I love. So this one specifically, if you're using this glue, so it should be a brush applicator. Yes, it is. It says it right on the box. It's so pretty. I'm hoping that is focused. If it's not, it's okay. Basically, when you put on the lash glue, I take the brush and I brush it over the lashes, and then after I brush over the lashes, I put them down and I let them dry, and I take the applicator and I brush it on my lash line. So basically, I just dot it or just do a line right over top of my eyeliner. You could do it on your lash line, like right above where your lashes are, or if you don't have eyelashes like me, you can put it right on your lash line. But basically, when you have eyelashes, you just dab it right above your lashes, so you do like a dot, a dot, a dot, or you can do a line. You can brush it on like eyeliner. And you don't close your eyes, you don't squint, try not to sneeze, like try not to do it all. And you sit there and you wait. You do it for both eyes, you set the lashes down, and you sit there and wait. I wait at least 4 minutes. And I know it sounds excessive. I wait 4 minutes. Sometimes I wait 5, sometimes I forget. You're gonna think it's gonna dry and not stick, but the thing is that it just gets tacky and it gets really sticky. So basically, when you do that trick, since it's on your eyelid and it's on the lash, you'll see in the video that I insert, it is so easy just to pop it on. You go from one corner to the other, so you take your tweezers and you poke it in on the one side, like just lay it right where you want it, and you drag it over and you just lay it down. And then once you let go, it is literally stuck there. Like I'm talking like if I try to pull my lash, like it's not gonna come off because I let them dry to be able to stick to your eye. And I'm trying to explain that as best as I can because I think verbally explaining how it works than you just watching like an Instagram video I do because you're not really getting like an explanation of what I'm doing. This way you get an understanding of what I'm actually doing, and that's going to like bind them together. So it's literally going to stay on all night and it's not going to pop off. So basically, if you're having trouble with lashes, it is probably because you are not letting the glue dry and you're trying to stick wet glue onto your skin, which is going to slide off. It's going to slide into your eye. You're going to get frustrated. The eyelash is going to come off and you're just going to get mad at it. And that's probably what is happening if you're having trouble with lashes. That is my #1 tip I tell everybody is literally lash glue on the eyelid, lash glue on the eyelash band, let them dry for at least 4 minutes, and then stick them together, and they bond instantly. And because they're meant to have like contact to contact. That's what they're meant to like do. They're supposed to like have like contact for one thing, another, and you stick them together, and now they're bonded together, and now they're just not gonna come off until you get makeup remover or literally take them off. You can actually pull, but if you lightly like pull or you're in the wind or whichever it is, they're not really gonna come off. So that's the best thing about it. That is my #1 trick for eyelash glue, eyelash adhesive. Those are my tricks on how to pick out a pair of lashes. And if you guys want any more lash tips, definitely leave a comment below. Ask me any questions. Go on my Instagram. My socials are at Emmy Combs, EMMYCOMBSS. You guys can subscribe. Just ask me any makeup questions. I love answering them. I'm really excited to get my YouTube channel back up there. I am just like you have no idea what I'm working on. I'm so excited. I actually am just like beyond happy with everything that's going on. I'm going to playlist Orlando, so if you are going there, you shall see me there. I'm really excited. I'm excited to see all of you. Let's see what else is going on. I don't know. There's just a lot of stuff. So follow me on TikTok, Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Snapchat. My Snapchat is at Emmy8Pie. Don't know why it's that. It's been that for a while, but I'm on Snapchat so you can see daily updates on what I'm doing, daily updates on Instagram, YouTube. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked my tips and tricks and my little Target haul of what I got. I got lots of lashes, lots of tips, but yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions. Like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.